All right, we just spoke to Minister of State for Home Affairs. He said no one has taken responsibility. We're going across to Bodh Gaya right now, where Nitish Kumar is visiting the spot. There you can see visuals of the temple complex. This is the location where the incident probably took place. The Chief Minister will be interacting with various security agencies. That's probably the location where the incident took place. Remember, 8 bombs went off. There were 8 explosions in total. RPN Singh just confirming that there were very loud explosions, and they're still investigating the kind of material that went into it. The DGP of Bihar, the NIA chief, the Intelligence Bureau chief, they're all interacting at the moment. We believe that one NSG team, which will be looking at the kind of explosives that is used, a team of the National Investigating Agency, they're now involved in every terror investigation that takes place in the country. They're also flying down. But certain concerns whether the crime scene was really secured very well. On your screens right now are security forces. They're there from the Bihar police. They'll be cordoning off the area. The Chief Secretary of the state is also there. They will be studying the CCTV footage, speaking to the guards in the temple complex, and probably also to the victims who have been injured. Their statements will be very crucial in case they can point out something about the person who placed those bombs there. Anil Goswami, the Home Secretary, spoke to the media a short while back. He confirmed that there is no damage to the Buddha structure, no damage to the temple complex. Intelligence sources tell CNN IBN that the involvement of Rohingyas is something that is being studied. Let's also listen into all the reactions that have been coming in.
The temple complex structure has not suffered any damage. A team of the NSG to carry out a post-blast analysis and a team of the NIA to investigate into the matter have been sent from here.
और एक हम लोग दीप जो घर है ना, जहाँ पर हम लोग बटर लैम्प को हम लोग ऑफर करते हैं, तो वहाँ पर एक हुई धमाका। और एक रत्ना घर जो है, भगवान बुद्ध ने महत्वपूर्ण चौथा सप्ताह व्यतीत किए थे, वहाँ पर जी हुआ है। और जो धमाका हुआ है वो काफी धमाकेदार धमाका है।
हम पाशकर्मा का ऐसा घूम रहा तो फट गया था।
दिखाई पड़ा बहुत जोर का आवाज,
बहुत जोर से आवाज आया।
अच्छा, तो आपको कैसे लग गया?
हमको पैर में लग गया ये।
सुबह जैसे ही विस्फोट का आवाज मेरे कानों में पड़ा, मैं अपने क्वार्टर से निकल के बाहर आ गया कि पता नहीं कहाँ विस्फोट हुआ है, कोई आने वाले हैं क्या है। उसी समय तुरंत जो है सो 2 मरीज यहाँ पर आए। एक मरीज पहले ये है, और इनके आने के बाद जो है इनका पहला काम था कि हमें ब्लीडिंग रोकना था। तुरंत इनको पट्टी किया गया, इनका ब्लीडिंग रोका गया। ब्लीडिंग रोकने के बाद उसके बाद तुरंत जैसे ही ब्लीडिंग हम रोक रहे थे, दूसरा मरीज आया। बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट का उनके पास था पूरा चेहरे पे।
सवेरे लगभग 5:30 बजे के आसपास हम बैठे हुए थे लॉबी में ही, और उसी समय एकाएक मतलब एक तेज धमाका हुआ, और धमाका इतना जोर था कि यहाँ तक वाइब्रेशन लगा कि होटल कांप गया है। और जो भी विदेशी लोग, जो भी पर्यटक ठहरे हुए थे, वो भी हड़बड़ा कर कमरे से बाहर आ गए कि आखिर क्या हुआ, इतनी जोर से आवाज कहाँ से आई।
We are looking at all angles. No terrorist outfit has taken any blame for this attack. We definitely have periodical reviews of the security systems in place, but these will all be reviewed when the investigation happens.